Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to exercise your grip using only your hands. And this will be an easy tutorial, so without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have my hands, and I'm going to show you how to exercise your grip and strengthen your grip using only your hands. You know, you can use other stuff to exercise your grip and strengthen your grip, but you can definitely just use only your hands by themselves, and you can still do a good job at strengthening your grip and exercising it. Really, really easy to do. So you can see I have my hands right here. I have my hands, and you can see my palms are visible. My fingers are open. My fingers are out. My hands are open, okay? Just kind of like regular hands like this, okay? Now, and by that I mean I'm keeping my hands in like a regular open position. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hands and I'm going to clench them, and I'm going to release. Clench and release. Clench and release. Now, basically, that's how you're going to be exercising your grip. Now, there are a couple of extra things to keep in mind, so stay tuned. Don't go away just yet. You're going to clench and release, okay? Now, you can clench and hold and then release, or you could do a medium hold, or you could just do a quick clench and release like that. So clench and release, and you can determine how many seconds or how long you want to hold each clench for. It can be quick, okay? Or it can be just a little bit of time, okay? Or it can be a longer amount of time. And then release, okay? That is the essence of what you're doing. Now, you can change the way that you're doing it. So when I'm doing it like this, my fingers are going in like that, and my thumbs are going on the outside. That's one way, right? You can also get your thumbs, and you can bring your thumbs in like that. That works as well, okay? Your thumbs can be in, okay? You can also bring your fingers down like this. There's a honk happening. I heard a couple of honks. But I guess someone's trying to find their car or something like that. Anyways, you can also bring your fingers down like this. So you can basically do it in any way. You can even do it like this with just your fingers like that. As long as you're clenching and releasing, that's the idea. You can work on strengthening your grip and exercising your grip. So you can choose how you want to do it with your fingers. You could choose the length of the clenching that you are doing. And you could choose how many reps you want to do. Maybe you want to just do like 5 at a time, or maybe you just want to do it, you know, until you really feel like you've worked out your grip. Until you're getting that muscular feeling where you're like, wow, I feel like I've worked out my grip, okay? So that's the idea. You can choose how long you want to clench for. You could choose the ways in which your fingers will go down for the clenching. And, you know, the main idea is that you are clenching and releasing, okay? And you can, you know, choose the formation of your hands. I don't think that it would be much. There's a little, now that I feel it, there's a little bit of a difference in what I'm working out when I'm going like this, palms away from me versus palms in. Okay, palms kind of trying to get out a little bit. Yeah, you know what? It's working different parts of the forearm muscle from what I'm feeling. So you can use your judgment with that as well. You can rotate your hands to work different parts of the forearm muscle and get different parts being worked more and less. You know, depending on the angle that you're having your hands at. But that's basically, that is the idea and the essence of how to exercise and strengthen your grip using only your hands. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. You can use your judgment and you know do it the way that you want to. There's a lot of freedom in this, a lot of variation that you can create. But yeah, hopefully you can make use of it. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Other than that, I've got nothing else. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.